Hi everyone, this is Milal Vijay Pense and let's see what July 2021 has in store for the sun sign Gemini. For the Geminis, in general, this could be a worrisome month, especially when it comes to finances. You might find that though financially you are actually very good and you are well maintained and well sustained in your financial savings and investments, this month is going to bring in a lot of sudden unexpected moments which is going to shake up your financial calculations, could cause some kind of extra unexpected unforeseen financial expenses, and thus could put your finances a little bit off balance. Though there is nothing that cannot be handled if you keep your calm, if you keep your presence of mind. Now, it is not a situation which is going to go out of your control. It is definitely, yes, going to cause you a little bit of a stress. So what the Geminis are actually advised to do, particularly for the month of July 2021, is to be extremely cautious when it comes to your finances, and when it comes to your finances regarding unexpected unforeseen expenses. Now this is this one area in general for the entire month that you will have to really watch out for. Moving on to the space of career, finances is yet again going to affect the space of career as well, because it is possible that it's been quite some time that you've been mulling over changing your job, or let's say, not exactly being satisfied with your job, because probably the financial promotion, increment, or the growth that you are looking out for in your current place and space of work is somehow not available to you. This might have you thinking of either going for another job or an extra job that sustains your financial needs, or there is a possibility that you might want to actually talk to your boss about a financial increment, or then there's also a possibility that you would want to opt in to go and apply for some another job in some another company where the financial prospects are much more better. So it's either taking up a job, an extra job, in order to balance out your finances, or then it is actually leaving your job for a better job with better financial prospects. As explained earlier, this month of July is going to be particularly pointing out towards the matters of finances. So because it is a very finance oriented month for the Geminis for July, it is a triangle of finances, work, and yet again finances. So you might wanting to so financially right now you may observe that you are in a very good space, but you see, when the unexpected unforeseen expenses come and then the finances go haywire, that kind of a situation makes you rethink about the finances that you are making at your workspace. Probably you could do something about it, probably you could get some good job, and probably you could do something that enhances your financial prospects. So yes, it is a finance centered month where you will be thinking of either earning more finances, investing your finances, but basically becoming more financially strong. Moving on to the area of relationship, this month of July is also very extremely important for the Geminians. So there is a possibility that you might want to start the talk of preferably ending a relationship for good. There is a possibility that it's been quite some time that you've been thinking about it, you've made your final decision, but somehow you have been thinking of ways to make it work. However, the month of July is going to actually finally bring you to this realization that probably it's high time that you accept that this particular relationship is not working for you. So let's say if you're involved with someone and if you do realize in the month of July that yes, that relationship is not working for you, it is time to be a little bit vocal about it. It's time to bring up the topic. It's time to initiate the conversation with your loved one. In domestic matters too, you will find that a lot of your relationships with others is going to go through some kind of a transformation. By transformation, I mean that the equations could change, your feelings could change, the level of physical, mental, emotional connectivity that you feel with your own family members is kind of going to go through a change. Now, this could be directly or indirectly linked to finances as well. However, the best part in this situation is no matter what you're going through, you are still very, very deeply supported by your loved ones. So even if the transformation, if things kind of go a little bit haywire, it is not going to go completely bad. You can definitely salvage the situation. You can talk and communicate and sort out and smoothen out the creases within the family. But yes, some certain changes and transformation is definitely to be seen. Moving on to the matters of health. This month, the Geminis need to really rethink and redo their choices when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. So you could either be on both the sides, either you could be having a very healthy lifestyle and wanting to become more healthy, but this is more or so for the Geminis who are actually not into a very good lifestyle, and you now need to make a decision to draw the line and adapt to a much more better healthy lifestyle. So there are some kind of changes that the cards foretell that are going to be seen in the life of Geminis when it comes to their health. This month urges you to make some final decisions on your health, whether it comes to joining a gym, whether it comes to moving from an unhealthy lifestyle towards a healthy lifestyle. But see to it that whatever changes that you make for yourself are in a healthy direction. And even if it is a small change, see to it that you follow it up and you are very persistent about it. This is all for the Geminis for the month of July. And here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy, peaceful month ahead.